She didn't stop glowing. She simply stopped feeding her skin. What you see as dullness is not death. It is dehydration waiting for correction. Glow never truly disappears. It fades quietly when care fades. Tonight, we don't hide dullness. We rebuild it from the surface. Welcome to Glow Resurrection Lab. Protocol 01 begins now. We begin with a clear hydration base because hydration is the skin's memory. When moisture returns, reflection returns with it. Now we introduce a measured golden activator, controlled, intentional, precise. The first drop awakens the surface. Balance begins immediately. Even the smallest ripple matters because light responds to structure. The second drop restores strength. Texture begins reorganizing beneath the surface. The third drop completes activation. Precision is power, never more than needed. Now we stir slowly. Gentle movement preserves integrity. Circular motion builds cohesion. Nothing rushed, nothing forced. Watch the texture thicken. Structure begins forming visibly. Elasticity means support is returning. The surface regains resilience. That silky strand you see represents flexibility. Flexibility creates reflection. Now the surface shines differently. Structure has been restored. A thin layer is poured carefully. Even distribution is essential for balance. Smoothness determines reflection. Irregularity absorbs light. Notice how light glides across the surface. That glide is future glow. Now we move to the skin. This is where precision matters most. Dullness is not damage, it is imbalance. First placement on the cheekbone, targeted and controlled. Second placement at the center, balanced distribution begins. Third placement near the jawline, 3 points create symmetry. Lift upward slowly, never drag your glow downward. Press and hold. Allow absorption to happen calmly and completely. Release gently. See the first subtle sheen begin to form. Now glide outward evenly. Seal the surface without pressure. Apply a thin reinforcing layer. Thin layers build stronger reflection. Observe the smoothing effect closely. Texture responds to discipline. Now, pause. Let it breathe. Glow builds in stillness. Night is when skin listens. This is when recovery begins. Apply, set, sleep. Do not disturb the process. During sleep, hydration reorganizes the surface. Recovery happens in silence. Glow rebuilds quietly. Morning light arrives, and reflection meets preparation. Notice the smoother appearance. Structure supports the glow. Light now responds instantly. Hydration reflects confidence. No filter is required. Balance creates clarity. No foundation is necessary. Structure creates radiance. This is not cosmetic shine. This is engineered glow. Dull skin was never lost. It was waiting for precision. Some chase shine with products. Others engineer glow with intention. If your glow feels silent, tonight is your activation. Protocol 2 unlocks for those who subscribe. Glow is not bought, it is built.